Students, now I'm going to do a very small experiment using salt, cotton, water and 2 cotton bags. So, let's start. Let's put salt in this bag. Now let's put cotton in this bag. Now both these bags are ready. Let's find out which bag is heavier and which bag is light. Bag with salt is heavier and bag with cotton is light. Now let's put both these bags in water and let's see what happens. The salt in this bag has dissolved in water. So now this bag is lighter. Cotton in this bag has absorbed some water. So this bag is heavier. So bag with salt is lighter. Bag with cotton is now heavier. Light, heavy. Students, based on this experiment, now I'm going to show you a very interesting story. Let's watch.
Once, 2 crows, Bholu and Golu, had a fight to prove their superiority.
I am more superior as I am bigger in size.
No, I am more superior to you as I am elder.
They decided on a challenge to fly with a bag in their beaks. The one who flies higher wins. Golu was a mean crow. He put cotton balls in his own bag and salt in Bholu's bag. The 2 crows then started flying. Soon Golu was flying higher than Bholu as he was carrying a lighter weight. But Bholu could not fly higher than Golu due to the heavy weight. As the crows were flying, it started raining. The cotton balls soaked in water and became heavier. On the other hand, the salt got dissolved, making Bholu's bag very light. Now, Bholu began flying higher than Golu. Thus, Bholu won the challenge. Moral: cheaters will always be losers.
So students, how was the story? Now, there is some homework for you. Try doing this experiment at your home. What is heavy? What is light? Students, now let's see what is heavy and what is light. Let's take the bottle filled with water, an empty glass. So, the bottle with water is heavy. The glass, empty glass, is light. So, this glass is lighter than this bottle. Now, let's take rubber ball, season ball. Rubber ball is light. Season ball is heavy. So, we can say that season ball is heavier than rubber ball. Now let's take mobile and tablet. Tablet is heavy. Mobile phone is light. Now let's take book and newspaper. Newspaper is light. Book is heavy. So, we can say that newspaper is lighter than book. Heavier and lighter. Students, now let's see which objects are heavier and which objects are lighter. Let's take pencil and marker. Pencil, marker. So, marker is heavier, pencil is lighter. Now let's take lemon and tomato. Lemon, tomato. As you can see, lemon is lighter, tomato is heavier. Now let's take this plastic ball, this rubber ball. Plastic ball, rubber ball. So, plastic ball is lighter, rubber ball is heavier. So, we can say that plastic ball is lighter than rubber ball. Let's take sharpener and eraser. Sharpener on one pan, eraser on the other. Students, as we can see, sharpener is lighter, eraser is heavier. So, eraser is heavier than sharpener. Match the column. Students, on one side I have written names of the animals. On the other side I have written things that they carry. Now you have to help me to match them. So tell me, students, what does an elephant carry? Luggage? No. Logs. So elephant carries logs. What does a crow carry? Look at this column and tell me. Ball, luggage, worm. What about ant? Grain. Tell me, students, what does a dog carry? Dog. Dog carries ball. Donkey. Donkey carries luggage. So, an elephant carries logs. Crow carries worm. Ant carries grain. Dog carries ball. Donkey carries luggage. Answer the following questions. Your mother buys tomatoes for your family. How much does she generally buy at a time? Come on, tell me, students. How much she buys at a time? 15 kgs. No. Then 15 grams? No. Then how much quantity? Think and tell me. Right. She generally buys 1 kg tomatoes. So let's write 1 kg. Now come on, students, answer this question for me. How much rice does your mother buy at a time? Rice. How much rice does she buy at a time? Any guesses? 2 kgs? No. 5 kg. She generally buys 5 kg rice at a time. So let's write 5 kg. Five kg rice at a time. Solve the following example. Anju's family bought a few things from the grocer shop. Her father bought 10 kg wheat. Mother 5 kg rice. Her brother 2 kg sugar. And Anju bought 1 kg ghee. So now let's find out how much total kg weight did they buy. Father 10 kg. So let's write 10 kg. Mother 5 kg plus 5 kg. Brother 2 kg plus 2 kg. And Anju 1 kg. So plus 1 kg. Now come on, students, help me to get the answer. Let's add 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to how much? Tell me. Right, 8. So let's write 8. 1. So let's write 1. So total weight they carried is 18 kg. 18 kg. Make a bundle of 10 sticks. Students, I am having some loose sticks here and I want to make a bundle of 10 sticks. So, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, our bundle of 10 sticks is ready. There are some sticks on the board. I want to make bundles of 10 from these sticks. Let's see how many bundles I can make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is one bundle of 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are only 4 sticks left now. So we cannot make one more bundle of 10. So here we have one bundle of 10 sticks and 4 loose sticks. One bundle of 10 sticks, 4 loose sticks. So we have 1 tens, 4 ones. So the number is 14. So there are total 14 sticks on the board. Students, there are some loose sticks on the table and I want to make a bundle of 10. So let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 sticks and I want to make a bundle of 10 sticks. So come on, tell me students, how many more sticks are required? Right, I will need 4 more sticks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we have total 10 sticks. So let's make a bundle. So our bundle of 10 sticks is ready. I have some sticks on the board. I want a bundle of 10 sticks. So let's count. There are how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 sticks on the board. I want a bundle of 10 sticks. So how many more sticks are required? We can also write this as 7 plus how much is equal to 10. Let's solve in this way. 10 minus 7 is equal to how much? We need 10 sticks. We have 7 sticks. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So I need 3 more sticks to complete a bundle of 10. 1, 2 and 3. So this is a bundle of 10 sticks. There are some loose sticks on the table and I want to make a bundle of 10 sticks. So let's count number of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So there are 14 sticks and I want to make a bundle of 10 sticks. So 4 sticks are extra. So let's remove them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have 10 sticks. So let's make a bundle. So our bundle of 10 sticks is ready. Now let's see how many bundles of 10 we can make from these sticks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. One bundle of 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. One more bundle of 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we cannot make another bundle of 10 sticks. So here we have 2 bundles of 10 sticks and 8 loose sticks. 2 bundles of 10 sticks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 loose sticks. So we have 2 bundles of 10 sticks means 2 tens. 8 loose sticks means 8 ones. 2 tens, 8 ones makes number 28. So we total have 28 sticks on the board, counting in tens and ones. Students, I have a few bundles of 10 and a few loose sticks. I am going to take some bundles and some loose sticks and make a number. You have to recognize that number. So, let's start. Students, I have taken 2 bundles of 10 and 3 loose sticks. So, 2 bundles means 2 tens. 3 loose sticks means 3 ones. So, the number is 23. Let's take another example. Here I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 bundles of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 loose sticks. So tell me students, which is this number? Let's find out. 5 bundles of 10 means 5 tens and 7 loose sticks means 7 ones. So our number is 57. Now let's see this example. There is 1 bundle of 10 sticks and there are some loose sticks. I want to make 2 bundles of 10 sticks. So let us find out how many more sticks are required. We have 1 bundle of 10 sticks and 1, 2 and 3. 3 loose sticks. I want 2 bundles of 10 sticks each. So I need 20 sticks. I already have 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 sticks. I have 13 sticks. I want 20 sticks. So, how many more sticks are required? Let's find out. 13 plus how much is equal to 20? Let us solve this. 20 minus 13 is equal to 7. So 13 plus 7 gives us 20. So, we need 7 more sticks to complete the bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this is a bundle of 10 sticks. So we have 1 and 2 bundles of 10 sticks. Let's take one more example. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 bundles of 10 sticks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 loose sticks. 7 bundles of 10 sticks means 7 tens and 6 sticks loose means right 6 ones. So the number is 76. Make the number using tens and ones. Students, now I am going to give you few numbers. You have to help me to make those numbers using bundles and sticks, that is tens and ones. So let's start. Let's take number 37. 37 means 3 tens and 7 ones. So let's make 3 tens means 3 bundles. 1, 2 and 3. 7 ones means 7 loose sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 3 bundles, 7 loose sticks. Number 37 is ready. Let's take one more number. Which number to take now? Let's take number 64. 64 means 6 tens and 4 ones. So let's make number 64. 6 tens means 6 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 bundles. 4 ones means 4 loose sticks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 6 bundles and 4 loose sticks. Our number 64 is ready. Let's take one more example. Which number to take now? Students, which is your favorite number? Okay, I will tell you my favorite number. My favorite number is number 82. 82 means 8 tens and 2 ones. 8 tens means 8 bundles and 2 ones means 2 loose sticks. So, let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 tens. Now we need 2 ones. So let's take 2 loose sticks. 1 and 2. So 8 bundles means 8 tens. 2 loose sticks means 2 ones. So number 82 is ready. 8 bundles makes 8 ten. 2 sticks makes 2 ones. So the number is 82. Counting becomes easy when we count in groups of tens. I have 4 coconut trees. Each one of them has some coconuts in them. Let's count number of coconuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34. So there are total 34 coconuts. Students, just now you saw counting so many objects takes a lot of time. Counting becomes easy when we count in groups of tens. Let's see how. This tree has 10 coconuts. So let us call it a group of 10 coconuts. This tree has 10 coconuts. So a group of 10 coconuts. This tree has 10 coconuts. A group of 10 coconuts. This tree has 4 coconuts. So we have group of 10, group of 10, group of 10 and 4. So we can write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to how much? Let's find out. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. So, we have total 34 coconuts. Wasn't it easy? This tree has 10 coconuts. So, we have a group of 10. This tree has 10 coconuts. So, group of 10 coconuts. This tree has 10 coconuts. A group of 10 coconuts. This tree has 4 coconuts. Now suppose I want to make one more group of 10 coconuts. So what will I have to do? Let's see. We have 4 coconuts and we want 10 coconuts. So we can write 4 plus how much gives us 10? We have 4 coconuts. We want 10 coconuts. So 4 plus how much is equal to 10? We can also solve this in this way. We want 10 coconuts. We already have 4 coconuts. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So we need 6 more coconuts to make another group of 10 coconuts. So 4 plus 6 gives one more group of 10 coconuts, counting in tens and ones. Here I have one bundle of 10 sticks and 2 loose sticks. So tell me students, there are how many tens and how many ones? We have one bundle of 10 sticks. So we have 1 tens. We have 2 loose sticks. So we have 2 ones. 1 tens, 2 ones. So the number is 12. Here there are 2 bundles of 10 sticks and 4 loose sticks. So tell me student, there are how many tens? 1 and 2. There are 2 bundles. So 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loose sticks. So 4 ones. 2 tens, 4 ones. So the number is 24. Here I have 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles of 10 sticks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loose sticks. So we have 3 tens. 3 tens and 7 ones. 7 ones. 3 tens, 7 ones. So the number is 37. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 bundles of 10 sticks. So we have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 loose sticks. So we have 6 ones. 5 tens, 6 ones. So the number is 56. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 bundles of 10 sticks. So we have 7 tens and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 loose sticks. So we have 4 ones. 7 tens, 4 ones. So we get number 74. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 bundles of 10 sticks. So we have 9 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 loose sticks. So we have 8 ones. 9 tens. 8 ones. So the number is 98.